guys, today I bait fishing with Mr. Robbie Alexander in the Ovens River. Alright, so I got two rods. On this one, Pattern's Norster rig, I will put some cheese. And on this one, I will chuck some worms. Oh! Oh, I got him! This is not a shrimp. You need a hand? You want a picture or something?
I might get a photo actually, why not?
Yeah. Robbie is on the board with a Carpio.
On the board again.
Yeah, rest in peace. Alright guys, I was there and now I'm there. No, I was here and now I'm there. Was a nice bite. The cheese.
We would have done before Lake Mulwala was built. So if Lake Mulwala wasn't there, this used to be low and there wouldn't be any water flowing down that creek.
Yeah, I see, okay.
Oh shit! Sunny's on.
Oh, it's a nice fish. I think so, yeah. Whoa, almost dragged my...
For whom the bell tolls.
Can you remove my bells, please? Oh, what's that? Oh, it's a cod.
It's a Murray cod.
Yeah, can you... It's...
Just gotta keep my eye on my rods there.
Oh no, it's a tiny one.
Sunny's on the board.
Oh no, it's not bad. You beauty!
You beauty!
Oh, he's beautiful.
Lovely fish.
Yeah, he's about high 50. Wow. There you go. Can I have a picture, Robbie, please?
Yeah, I'm ready to go.
Oh, he's a beauty. All right, guys, let's put him back. He is high 50, I reckon. First fish for me. A beautiful maricot. Let's try and release. All right. I'm wet, but he's gone. Oh. Might be a shrimp.
I've just gone to check my cheese and it started fighting. How on earth did that even happen? He's hooked in the shell. He's not even hooked. I must have just gone to reel it in. There he goes, look at that, he wasn't even hooked.
See you later.
See you later, mate. At no point was that turtle even hooked.
Oh, full of shrimp.
Any big one?
Yeah, there's a good one, yeah.
Only one.
No, there's a lot of them. One is a good size. No, they are good size for bait.
Oh, cool.
Maybe later. Funny bum.
The bigger one?
I don't know.
You want me on the bells again?
Yeah.
Remember last time we went fishing how I caught heaps and you only caught one?
Yeah.
Yeah, well today's like the opposite of that. I think this one's bigger.
You think?
It looks a bit bigger.
This is the same fish?
Keep my lines there. No, this is a bigger one, I reckon.
Oh no, smaller.
Hard to say. It's a nice fish. I'm looking in the water there for a while while you get organised. I don't get a camera. I better change the camera angle so it doesn't look like the same photo.
All right. Let's see what I got. No, I reckon it's smaller.
Smaller, you reckon?
Yeah. He have a big head, but his body is very tiny, like me. I got a big head.
It's more like me. It's got a big mouth, a big head, and a big body. Yep. If I was a fish, I'd be a cod.
Let's put him back. Can I get a better release footage? You're free. Go for your life. He's gone. All right. 2 cods, 1 turtle, 1 carp. What next? Shark? As Robbie says, there's not a second to lose. Let's put it back. Plop. Yeah. Oh, this is a good one, I think. Oh, this is a big carp. I think it's a big carp. Oh,
I've never
yeah.
seen a cod do that before.
I think it's a big carp.
I've never caught a carp on cheese though. I've heard of it. I have heard of it.
Yeah, so there is carp on cheese. Wow. He's massive.
That's huge.
I think I hook him on the... Oh no. Wow. Almost, my rod almost went for a swim.
That's the first time I've seen a carp caught on cheese. I have heard of it, but I've just never seen it or done it.
You know why?
Because you're a legend.
No, they love Swiss cheese.
I'm going to take your bells off.
Oh yeah, please. Thank you. Ooh. Oh.
I couldn't believe you hooked it on cheese and then it went straight across the river.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh no! He got off.
Gone.
See you later.
I'll get back to my post.
What's going on? What's going on here? No, he just... What is your guess, Robbie, on the size of the carp? 60?
I was going to say 60 to 65, yeah.
Yeah. All right, time to fish with some shrimps. let's see if we can catch a yellow. I can see my piece of cheese moving in the water. It's full of shrimp. Wow. Alright guys, I don't know if you can see me, I'm maybe too dark. But yeah, I caught 2 cod, high 50, beautiful fish. I dropped this big carp, got some nibbles. Yeah, but we had a good time, and yeah, it's time to go home now. So thank you so much for watching. Merci beaucoup and see you next time.